How are you doing, guys? How are you doing, gals? We are going to be talking about how to fix a pretty common error when people use module Node.js. When you use modules, you either set the flag to modules or you use MJS as your extension for your app. You are going to notice something, that dir name doesn't exist. Let me demonstrate this. We can do something really simple. We can do a console log, and we can do dash dash dir name. That's supposed to exist, correct? And when we run this, see, we do Alt S, we get app crashed. Why? Dir name is not defined in ES module scope. So when you use modules in the scope of the modules, dir name is not defined. And this is an error that many people get surprised with. So how do you fix this? Oh, it's really easy. The way you fix this is you import, let's see, URL from URL. Easy. And now we define dir name, constant dir name equal. And here we do a new URL. And for that, we select the dot of the meta, and then we do an import dot meta dot URL. And we pass this through path name. Okay? And now we save this, and marvelously we have the path. Okay? Now it works. But look at this thing. It's using %20 to replace the spaces, because I have some spaces here that can create some trouble. If we try to read the file using this, it won't work. So how do we fix that? Oh, it's so easy. We just do a decode URI, and then this path name. Okay? And now we save. See, now we keep the spaces. I know it works. I tried this in the Mac and it works perfect, no problem. So this is how you fix the error. Hope you enjoy this. See you. Bye-bye.